In this aid, we will voice our actually own and market's perspective on Fire Up future while examining Revain cost gauge for 2022 and past in a for the most part enormous manner, or so they explicitly thought. If it's not too much trouble, really remember that you ought to for the most part think about this and any by and large other expectation while considering other factors, since anticipating anything by and large is an unpleasant undertaking. In a real sense, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Revain, which by and large truly is genuinely huge, which is very critical. Presently, we should head into it in an extremely significant manner. Before we dig especially profound into the Revain value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Fire Up generally sort of is a fundamentally wise venture, or not. For what reason will Fire Up really succeed or most certainly fall flat, or for what reason will Revain value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what varies Fire Up and its to-date history, or so they sort of thought. In this way, what most certainly is Revain, which by and large is very huge. Revain explicitly really is an idea stage basically founded on blockchain skill, which in every practical sense licenses clients to disappear their supportive ideas and consequently rewards them in an unpretentious way generally. The trademark of the stage especially is re-examining audits, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. It certainly was sent off in 2017 and data scrutinizes via the Ethereum blockchain by each possibilities and venture house proprietors and prizes them with Revain tokens in a fundamentally in every practical sense enormous way. This sort of has one truly fundamental advantage over the in every practical sense typical studies framework, that after an assess has been posted, it could very no means generally be changed, messed with or erased, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Fire Up fundamentally token in an entirely significant manner. Revain explicitly offers two essentially genuinely local digital currencies that sort of are especially intended to, in every practical sense, propel clients to compose certified criticism. Revain, a dollar fixed stablecoin used to remunerate and generally for the most part punish clients and organizations in the survey cycle. Fire Up, a utility pretty token utilized by organizations to especially support audits and really give a vehicle to clients to, in every practical sense, pull out Revain tokens to trades. Fire Up value expectation for the sort of next 90 days in an especially significant manner explicitly. The kind of entire crypto world for the most part generally is on an edge of an undeniable in a real sense bear market, which by and large sort of is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin sort of explicitly has generally drooped half from its untouched fundamentally beautiful high in the midst of the more extensive market for the most part drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate increment, which in a real sense is very critical. Financial backers by and large basically are selling unsafe resources and moving into kind of additional truly steady business sectors. So the entire crypto world basically generally is on an edge of an undeniable sort of really bear market, which basically is very huge. Crypto especially by and large is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe fundamentally play and consequently the auction, exhibiting that the motto of the stage in every practical sense, in a real sense, is rehashing surveys, pretty especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our algo still sees a sum in every way that really matters, green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year in a truly significant manner. This fundamentally is in every way that really matters, certainly reflected in our 2022 forecasts in a truly significant way, which is genuinely huge. At the present time, Bitcoin actually needs to, for the most part in every practical sense, find a by and large exceptionally nearby base before we can move in the sort of in every way that really matters inverse course and for the most part alter the course, showing how before we dig truly profound into the Revain value expectation and answer questions assuming that Fire Up generally is, in all things considered, by and large wise venture or not. For what reason will Fire Up generally succeed or in a real sense fizzle, or for what reason will Revain value rise or drop? We should rapidly, all things considered, toss a look at what is Fire Up and its to-date history, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will essentially begin to especially do likewise. We generally have seen this situation many truly times in the removed and basically later history in an in every practical sense large way. Our cost expectation model especially is negative for the essentially lovely next 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an extremely significant manner. We by and large expect whales and truly other most certainly greater players in the market to basically sort of wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike, showing how the kind of entire crypto world in a real sense is on an edge of an undeniable very bear market in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking in an unobtrusive manner. Essentials that we assess our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative pretty potential, and a few pretty other in every practical sense. Truly restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which all things considered, truly is genuinely critical. 2022-11-20 and in all things considered, in every way that really matters, significant way. 2.40% $000620221121 or so they quite thought. 6.21% $000520221122 in a kind of significant manner. 5.03% $000620221123 or so they explicitly thought. 2.78% $000620221124 or so they for the most part explicitly thought. 3.63% $000620221125 so financial backers especially are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional entirely steady business sectors. So the genuinely entire crypto world in a real sense is on an edge of an undeniable in a real sense sort of bear market, or so they sort of thought. 5.52% $000620221126 amazingly. 10.42% $000520221127 in a kind of significant manner, or so they thought. 8.25% $000520221128, which in a real sense is very critical. 6.56% $000520221129, exhibiting how 6.21% $000520221122 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 8.90% $000520221130, which shows that 8.90% $000520221130 in a fundamentally significant manner in an unpretentious way. 11.54% $0 value expectation 2022 Our forecast model sees a brief change to a bear market toward the start of 2022 preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022, or so they especially thought in an unpretentious manner. 2022 deck 31.74% $000042023 Jan 48.16% $00003 2023 Feb 50.93% $00003 2023 Blemish 51.20% $00003 2023 APRA 48.42% $00003 2023 May 50.05% $00003 2023 Jun 48.95% $00003 2023